Ever race a truck with that thing? Ever race a truck with that thing? Want to? Want to give it a try? Yeah. Alright. His girlfriend flanked her and said bye-bye, he beat the shit out of her. That's right. Alright. That was a good stop. What kind of bike is that?
Put that on the website though.
Alright.
$600.
600 what?
RR.
Sweet.
That's fucking badass. I was like, no, I don't want them. I was like, I got them.
That was a good race. Oh, this is why you don't speed through Albertson, dipshits. What's done to the car? Please. You ready? 1, 2, 3. Nice. Pick up and roll. All right. Ready, set, go. Oh, there goes the license. You put my lights on, right? Oh shit, they're coming back and they didn't even... You better get out of here quick. Alright. Greaser himself.
Hey, I got off the fucking warning.
That's awesome.
Hey, yeah.
Sunflower racer.
Damn right. That's why I give you a warning. Yeah. Like,
oh, there we go. I'm gonna have. You're gonna see his neck just expand. Let me sign it with you.
Will you sign my name?
Sure.
Right here.
Somebody should post that.
WRX versus Turbo RSX. It's got a tiny motor in it. Oh, it's not even done.
I'm like, dude, that fucking smells racing fuel. I smelled it, and I was like, I saw fucking truck lights, and I was like, that's gotta be him.
Get owned by pickup.
1, 2, 3!
How's it feel riding in your own truck?
Scary as fuck.
Scary as fuck. That's good, you accomplished your goal, right?